subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has officially launched its new smartphone called Moto G10 alongside the Moto G30 in the European market. And among these two, the Moto G10 is the most affordable phone under this series with a unique design pattern. Talking about the specifications, the Moto G10 supports a 6.5-inch HD Plus Max Vision display with 60Hz refresh rate and a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Snapdragon 460 chipset paired with Adreno 610 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Moto G10 features a quad camera setup on the rear in a rectangular model at the top left corner that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 118° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 and it comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 10W charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an ray-mounted fingerprint sensor under the Motorola logo for authentication, and it is IP52 certified for water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.22 by 75.73 by 9.19mm and it weighs around 200 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto G10 has been priced in the European market for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at €150. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Aurora Grey and Sakura Pearl color options. So, what do you guys think of this Moto G10 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.